Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Azazir Helmi bin Muhammad, EC1S099. So I will continue to the flow of the coding part. There is some of the declaration and initialization of the variable that we use for our project, such as void call function, and then the character for the LCD display, and some the declaration for the switch and the counter. Okay, we move to the main function. First, we need to declare the clock for what port that we use in this project, for the port A, port B, and port C. And after that, we need to set the port for the input or output. For the GPIO-B, we used to connect it with the LCD from the port 0 until port B7, and then the 7 segment also as a output from the port B8 until port B11, and the switch as a input for the port B12 until port B15. And then this is the pin that connect with the RS and EN for the LCD, and then for the GPIO-A, this GPIO-A for the connection for LCD and motor from the port A8 until port A15, and then GPIO-C, CRH for the switch that connect with port C13 and port C14. And at first, we give the instruction to for this project to turn off all the LED that use, and this is the sum of function for declaration of the LCD command. And then this is the declaration initial value of the switch for SW and SW2. And then the LCD will display character A, which show hi, welcome back, and then it will turn on the LED will be turned on to show the system is on. And after 5 seconds, the LCD will display the character B that show choose your coffee, and then the other LCD will be turned on to show the pending process. We move to the while function. First, all of the switch will monitor the pin that already connect, and then if switch for the cappuccino is pressed, the LCD will display character E, 7 segment will display character A, and it will turn on the LED and motor to show the processing of the coffee. And after 8 second, or after the process of the cappuccino, the LED will display your coffee is ready, and then lastly it will display thank you. It also same with the switch for the Americano, switch for the espresso, switch for the latte, switch for the sugar, and lastly switch for the add creamer. Next, for the bottom part of the line coding, this is some of the void call function for the LCD command, LCD data, and the delay function. That's all from me. Thank you.